Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring Akaza for aggression. Pick Rush Lunge, Rising Break, and Demonic Aura at level 2 to maximize burst. Load mobility gear, stamina, and dash cooldown reductions so you can commit and disengage. Once done, move immediately to high ground or a central corridor to force engagements. Positioning matters because Akaza punishes predictable approaches. Make sure to watch stamina and bait a single opponent before committing. This opens the first combo window while keeping you safe from surround. You now execute the core combo, dash forward, trigger Rush Lunge and cancel into Rising Break within half a second to lock the target. Use Demonic Aura precisely as Rising Break lands to extend hit stun. This is why timing matters. It creates a guaranteed follow-up. Then deliver the 2-hit overhead to finish the sequence. Once done, reset spacing with a quick backward dash to avoid retaliation. Make sure to read enemy recovery frames. Against slower foes, you close fights by baiting a block, then feinting with a light attack to break guard timing and land the heavy finisher. That snare secures the kill. Don't spam Rush Lunge. Opponents will predict and counter. Vary your approach and mix in pauses. If combos are dropping, slow your inputs. Reduce your cancel timing by about 10 to 15% and repractice the Rising Break link. This retiming fixes most missed windows and keeps your execution consistent under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.